Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday
to you.
Ayan, we would like to greet Ate Nina. Ate nga ba? We would like to greet Nina a happy birthday! Ayan, messages from you guys?
Go. Ako na ba? Ate Nina, happy birthday! Always stay pretty and always stay young. Yun lang, I love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Nina. Thank you sa mga pagko-coach mo sa akin. Sorry kung hindi ako nakaka-attend masyado. Yun. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Nina! I love you! Tsaka stay as pretty as you are. Tsaka, ano, yung character mo sana maging, yun lagi ka maging mabait. Yan.
Happy birthday, Nina. Sana mas marami ka pang matutunan extra.
Happy birthday Nina, bilang 20 na tayo. 21 na ako, so yung pa rin ako. Sana maging maganda ang buhay mo tapos maging okay ang love life.
Happy birthday, Tinina. Panatilihin natin ang image ng pagiging grade 3. Yan, panindigan natin. And
Fresh na fresh.
Fresh na fresh. And we love you. So, mahal ka natin. So, i-share mo lang lahat ng blessings mo and talents mo. So, maganda yan. And thank you so much.
Happy birthday, Ate Nina. Stay fresh and stay beautiful. Sana talented pa tayo lahat. I love you.
Happy birthday Nina, patangkad ka pa.
At syempre, happy birthday na. Alam naman nating lahat na mahal ka naming lahat.